Hello and welcome to And Academy's YouTube channel. In today's Adobe Photoshop tutorial, we'll learn how to blend two images in Photoshop using a simple and clean technique. Image blending is useful when you want to create double exposure effects, composite images for products, posters, or creative visuals by smoothly combining two photos into one. For more Photoshop tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to And Academy's channel, and if there's a Photoshop tool you want us to cover next, drop it in the comment section below. Let's start with the process. Step 1. Add your cutout image. I already have my base image open in Photoshop. Now I'll bring in my second image, but it needs to be a clean cutout with no background. Go to File, Place Embedded, and select your cutout image. This will place it as a new layer on top. Step 2. Match the scale and perspective. Resize and position it using Free Transform so it fits naturally into the scene. Once you're happy, press Enter to confirm. Step 3. Match the colors. Now let's make the cutout blend in. Go to Image, Adjustments, or use adjustment layers like Color Balance, Hue Saturation, Curves, match the tones, temperature, and contrast of the background image. If the background is warm, your object should feel warm. If it's muted, your object shouldn't look overly vibrant. Step 4. Add shadows. This is where realism really kicks in. Create a new layer below your cutout. Use a soft brush with black to paint a shadow beneath the object. Make sure the direction of the shadow matches the light source in your image. Blur it slightly using Gaussian blur. And reduce the opacity. Step 5. Add highlights and shadows. Now add light where it naturally hits the object. Create a new layer and clip mask it to the cutout layer. Set it to soft light or overlay and gently paint with a soft white brush where light would fall. Similarly, you can also add subtle shadows to match the environment. Remember to always rename your layers. Step 6. Final blending. Look at the overall image. Tweak contrast and color balance. I'm also going to adjust the main shadow using the transform tool. Do this until the object doesn't look placed anymore, but feels like it was always there. And that's how you can blend two images together in Photoshop using blend modes and layer masks. This technique is one of the most useful tools for product images, posters, and artistic visuals. If you want to go beyond tools and learn graphic design from concept to execution, Explore And Academy's live online graphic design courses, taught by industry leaders and backed by a job guarantee. Watch this space for more quick and super easy videos on Photoshop for beginners. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to And Academy's YouTube channel for more design related content. See you soon. Happy designing!